Hi, people. Of
Right, T?
Yes, sure. Hi, people of the social media.
Sorry that we're bothering your interaction.
Intro, yes. So I have the two cousins, and they're just like crazy right now. Exhibit A. Yeah, that's Exhibit A.
7 o'clock in the laundry room.
So,
Kitty cats out?
nope.
I know. To bed.
Okay, so anyway, this is the first ASMR video I'm gonna do, and it's gonna be a Will It slime. So we're gonna use this, Imagine glitter glue, and salt in the freezer for 5 minutes.
And me and her are going to figure out what we're going to do because we have to work as a team.
Yeah.
We're like cousins.
So we came up with this idea
I'm looking for kitty cats.
together. So
No, that's okay. They usually go in after a while if I want to go in there.
So I added the glue. I might add a little more. Okay, that's
Okay, what are we going to do?
I need a mixing utensil.
I already know.
Jay, will you get me a mixing utensil?
Where's your straw?
Thank you. Thank you. Okay.
And we'll use this.
Yeah.
No. I'm not working on the two. Okay, well, this.
Now we're gonna add.
Because there's no salt. So I have one.
Adding a little at a time. I feel it thickening up.
See?
Was there water in this?
No. Yes.
It's like there was water in this or something. It's turning liquid. Literally just got liquidy. Huh?
Whoa, I have my butt.
Is this salt? Definitely salt.
You see?
Maybe this is salt.
Okay, can I start mine?
Yeah.
Okay, but you can't use that a lot.
It literally just turned to
What are
liquid.
you gonna use? Salt? I'm not gonna copy you guys. I thought so.
This literally turned to liquid.
Make it slime backwards. First activator, second glitter.
Let's see. So this did not work, so I'm just gonna add it into one of my slimes. And I'll just give this slime to my grandma because my grandma wanted me to make her slime. But since this one didn't work, I guess we could just add it to this one.
Hey, keep
and
half
give
of
this
that
one to
one.
her.
Hey, keep half of that one and give her half of it.
Yeah.
Do you already know? I think I know my 2 ingredients.
Oh gosh, what?
It turns watery. See,
Yeah.
there's water in there.
Jay, I literally just did that. You didn't see?
I'm making mine different.
What are you gonna do?
Something. It's what are your ingredients, Nancy?
Okay, so it's a glitter glue and...
Stop. I need this.
Okay, so turns out Imagine glue and salt doesn't work. So, are you gonna do Christmas slime?
Kind of.
Don't use all of my glue, so. Oh, okay. All of my glue. Thanks.
You're welcome. I'm gonna use that. I need to.
Yeah, you barely did any, so I'm not mad at you.
Okay. This lotion.
Okay, so that does not work. Let's try something else.
Can I?
Next up on the slime images, bullet slime lotion.
Oh, you guys want to see mine? I forgot to show you guys mine.
Mine is like this. Yeah, that's cold. It's
Mine is
actually forming. Do more of what you just did. What
It's
this?
a little secret.
Yeah, I told her. Okay, and then
Let me show them.
that's Jayla's.
It's a secret. Coming, okay? Don't
Okay.
judge.
Well, you
put a
all,
lot in there.
so all of these were like, what's it called?
Not slime.
No, I was gonna say all of these were like gonna be using salt for activator or something else for activator. We're not going to be using borax or anything else,
Yeah.
or contact select.
We're just using stuff out of the kitchen.
Yeah. Adding the salt, hoping it won't melt.
Don't ask why there's lotion in the kitchen.
Yeah, just don't. Oh, I think it's starting to thicken up. I can feel it starting to thicken up.
Mine is thickening up.
Like, wants to thicken up.
I know.
Hi.
We're not making a video. It's like,
We're not making a video.
and I'm not the only one making real slime.
Oh, I definitely feel it thickening up.
Whoa.
I think I saved it.
T.
I saved the wrong slime.
T. Whoa.
Can we tell her the secret?
Yes.
She's already going wrong.
Okay, so,
I did not just.
But you can't tell anybody this secret. Because I knew this from
Oh,
home.
I got my internet. What do you think about that?
But she paused it.
Did you capture that on your video, T?
Okay, so
You guys want to see my
it's
really
really
thickened.
It's really clumping up.
They can't see.
Yeah, your hand is in the way.
Can listen
Here's your King 10. Oh. It's not even in the picture.
That's how mine is.
So I'm gonna leave this in the fridge 4 or 5 minutes and see what
You can use
happens.
my phone. Here, I tie mine on your phone. My phone. Because you have your phone.
Next ingredient, dry scalp equate 2-in-1 dandruff shampoo plus conditioner.
Can I show them mine?
Yeah.
So, my slime, I actually mixed it to my bad slime, and it's still kind of bad. It's okay though.
I'm gonna tell the people something.
Okay.
Okay, so I was in the shower. Okay, so this
Yeah.
shampoo conditioner didn't work for me, so I decided to
Who's eating all
like,
these cupcakes?
no one.
Well, there's only 2 left.
I don't know why. But anyway,
Mm-hmm.
oh my god.
Oh my God.
No. And then anyway, it didn't work. And when I was putting it on my hands, there's a little clump of like slime in there. It was like not slime, but it had the same texture as it, and it was just weird.
That's what I have at home. Are
Really?
you gonna add some soap? I messed some up.
So yeah. It has the same consistency as glue. Yeah, I don't know if it's works. But this is going to take a long time to fill barely any of the container up, so I'll be back when it is. Okay, so I got a little bit filled
Hey
up.
guys,
It smells so good.
can you see me?
No.
I had to move over
kind of.
here because my legs hurt. What happened?
We're going to use the salt mustard for every one of these. I'm going to add some food coloring.
Oh, this almost fell, guys. It was so close.
Cool.
Cool.
Might as well go back together. It's like a weird snake.
I feel like
You are worse.
I feel like I haven't seen purple slime in a while. So let's use purple.
I actually didn't. I wanted purple slime.
Look.
And you know how I make purple slime?
Yeah, purple coloring?
Nope.
What?
I make a few colors up together.
I just have
markers.
purple food coloring.
Nope.
Whoa!
What?
The food coloring made it thicker.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
See, can I do your ingredient? Should I do you?
Yes.
Can you pick up the camera and show them now?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, that was amazing.
You are so
Okay, so this is my
See,
slime.
This one,
Watch, if I rip it, okay.
this slime feels so weird.
Now, let's try putting it back together.
It barely gets back together. Hey, but it made slime. Made slime. So anyway, I can't believe that when I added the food thing,
Hey,
it thickened
Your
up.
hands clean? Do you allow your hands clean?
Yeah.
It's kind of like oobleck.
Feel.
Because when I mix it, it turns harder. But,
Because it's teeth.
okay, so I added a bit of salt and some food coloring. That was amazing. I'll be back if this, what's it called? If it slimes.
out, Luke.
Hi. What did I have to?
Great job.
Trying to keep it, but undercover.
This is
Daddy, guess what?
do you see this, T?
Mm-hmm.
Do you see this?
That's
And then look, I rip it. Now let's try putting it back together.
That's the
No.
coolest.
What is that? That's mine. No.
Coolest, bro.
Jeez, I don't like the fill this one.
I don't like this line.
I don't like it.
I don't like you.
I hate you.
Hello? Right pin.
I can't believe it actually thickens it.
What, T?
I can't believe that food color actually
Did you put
thickens
more?
it. Yeah,
You got toothpaste.
it makes it. It
Right.
works.
Can I use it? Can I use a little bit of toothpaste?
Mhm.
See if it helps this mess.
Daddy,
Yeah.
This mess.
Dad, can you give me some more water? Can you give me some more water, please?
Again.
Oh, this has been recording.
Fine.
Here you go, Jay.
Yeah.
Okay, so again, I'll be back once this is whatever. So this did not work, so I'm just gonna, yeah. So none of these worked,
Except mine, kind of.
yeah. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Because I couldn't show anything.
So bye.